So if you got a spring door, you're trying to have it stay open. So you do it the same way, top or bottom. But you just slide this piece right here, slide that up to where it stops at the very end of this, the distance of this door opening, and then you just release it. And there you go. That's how you do it. Now, if you have one of these things, this little metal piece right here just slides back. If you do this, if you push it up and it doesn't work, the only thing you gotta do is get you some pliers. So bend it just a little bit, kind of this way. So this is the top and the bottom, top, bottom. Bend it a little bit, just a little bit. Mine is fine, but if yours still don't work after pushing it up, it still doesn't stop, then take these channel locks and bend them like that. You see how it looks? And then you just kind of squeeze it a little bit, bend it, and keep doing that until it works. This bottom piece that angles has to be facing toward the spring. It can't be on the other side. So if they have it on the other side, if they have this flip around, it won't work. You can fix that by like taking a hammer and then hitting this little pin right here until it pops out. But you're gonna have to do it with the door closed. Close the door and then knock this little pin up. Take this off, pull this out, and then turn it the right way. This is the right way. So take it out and then turn it to the correct way, and that should fix your problem too. So let's just say if you open this door and it's not opening up wide enough, right? You need it to come out wider because you can't bring stuff in. Maybe you're trying to, move or even install some stuff, right? Appliances, whatever. In order to open this door up all the way with no restrictions, you're gonna have to close the door first. So once you're on the inside of the door, you want to locate the bracket that's holding this spring in place. And then right at the end of the bracket, this is a little pin right here. You see, I actually pushed this pin up with my hand. And this is the reason why I told you to close the door. Because if you have the door open and you try to do the same thing I just did, it's not going to budge. And that's because there's a lot of tension on this particular side of the spring when it's open up. So that's why you got to close it. And then you can push this pin up. And if you can't get it all the way out, just use anything like, I just got this in my hand. This, you can use a hammer or whatever. But use that to knock it out. Now we got this, this is what the pin looks like. So we got it out. Now we can open this door up all the way. No restrictions. Because the spring isn't attached to the door anymore. So, about out. Hey, don't forget to take this pin though and put it back in that same hole so you won't lose it. You can take anything, and I just got this bleach right here just to keep the door open, right? Anything you have, you can just put it right there, put it up against the door, and voila. You got a fully open door. I'm sure yours can open up all the way if you don't have this back wall right here. Fully open door, no restrictions, straight into your home.